Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today learn a 3D parts drawing. I see here drawing front view, right view and top view. All three view is drawing see here and solid body is drawing. Then I draw a SOLIDWORK design. Then at first select a plane is front plane. Okay, at first drawing a line and mention 180, 62 or 94. Okay, at first center line draw this point to this. Okay, vertical line. Okay, so line drawing this point to this point to this and this. Okay, this point to this and this. This point to this and this and okay. Mention dimension is 94. Okay, and this dimension is 36. Okay, and this dimension is 88. Okay, and this dimension is also 36. This dimension is also 36. Okay, this dimension is also 36. Okay, and and I see here. Okay, this dimension is 36, 88 and 36, and this point to this point is 242. Okay, this point and this point is 242. Okay, and also this line and this line is 48. Okay, and 62 also see here, and 110, 30. The 30 is 110, 90. Okay, this point to this point is 30. Okay, this point and this point is 30. Okay, and radius 19 and 100 is 62. This point to this point is 62. Okay, this point to this point is 62. Okay, 62, okay, 62. Okay, and this point to this point is 100. Okay, okay, ten. Okay, and this point and 38. Okay, this point to this point is 38. Okay, and 36 is 40 is 94, 180. 180 is 180. This point to this point is 180. Okay, this point, all dimension is this point to this point is okay. Okay, all dimension is clear, and this point and this point is linear. This point is horizontal and this point is also vertical. Okay, okay, correctly I see here. Radius, okay, 30, 110, all is correct, see here. And revolve boss base, and see here. Okay, and I draw this face and this, then select this face, click here, normal, sketch, and select a rectangle. Okay, and dimension is 230 and 230. Dimension is 230 and 230. Okay, dimension is 260 280. Okay, 260 is correct, and 260 also correct. Okay, and extrude boss base, and thickness is 20. Okay, thickness is 20. Okay, and also fillet 15. In this point, this and this and this. Okay, and select this sketch normal. Okay, and select a center point, a state slot. Okay, state slot dimension is 119 or radius is 40. Okay, dimension is 190 and radius is 40. Okay, and extrude boss. Okay, and thickness is also 14. Also 20, no problem. 14 is okay. Any appearance is red. Okay, this product is ready, and select a fillet, and fillet is 15. This point also correct is this. Okay, 4 is ready, no select, and this fillet is also 4. This point also correct is this. Okay, not any point is 2 is correct, no. Any fillet is okay. This point is okay, not any mention. Okay, this project is ready, and final product is ready. Okay guys, thank you.